It's been a couple months now. I just can't get over you. Apologies ain't my specialty, but this one's overdue. All the late night fussing there, cussing when discussing if we were gonna go the distance. For some of my feelings to just come up missing. I never should've let it though. I was happy with you but wouldn't let it show. So that's why I had to let it go. And some other mess probably put you on a pedestal. Fuck that nigga that you love so much. Even though we're through, I'd like to keep in touch. I said fuck that nigga that you love so much. This was just a game to me, I just wasn't clutch. Oh, oh. That shit was hot. I don't care what none of y'all say. That shit was hot. That shit was love.